Cash App stocks may stop loading because of an app issue, connection problem, outdated app version, or a temporary service problem affecting the investing section. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to fix Cash App stocks not loading, and how to check whether the problem is your device, app, or account. Start by checking your internet connection. The stocks section needs a stable connection to load market information, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if the connection is causing the issue. Next, close Cash App completely and reopen it. A temporary app error can prevent stock information, prices, or investing pages from loading correctly. If Cash App stocks still does not load, restart your phone. A device restart can clear temporary system issues that affect how apps connect and display information. You should also check for a Cash App update. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and install any available update. Running an older app version can cause features to stop working properly. If you are using Android, clearing the Cash App cache may help. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Cash App, open Storage, and clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may interfere with the app. If you are using an iPhone and the problem continues, reinstalling Cash App can refresh the app installation. Delete the app, download it again from the official App Store, and sign back in with your account information. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the phone number or email connected to your Cash App account, so you can complete the login process. If the stocks section opens but specific information is missing, check whether Cash App is experiencing a temporary service issue. Some features may not load correctly during service interruptions. If your account has a restriction affecting investing features, you may need to review your account status or contact Cash App support. Provide the exact message shown in the app, so support can identify the issue. Avoid repeatedly uninstalling and reinstalling the app without checking the basic fixes first. Most loading problems are caused by connection issues, outdated apps, or temporary errors. To recap, check your internet connection, restart Cash App, update the app, clear temporary files on Android, and reinstall if the problem continues. Your next step is to open your App Store and confirm Cash App is updated before trying more advanced fixes. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Cash App troubleshooting videos for more quick solutions.